Are you trying to decide between a fiber laser and a water jet for your cutting needs? Let's break down why fiber lasers might just be the better choice. Speed and efficiency. Fiber lasers are fast. For thin to medium thickness metals, a fiber laser will cut significantly faster than a water jet. That means quicker production times and higher throughput, which translates to more jobs done faster. Lower operating costs. Water jets need a lot of consumables, abrasive material, water, pumps, and more maintenance overall. Fiber lasers, minimal consumables, lower energy use, and fewer moving parts. That adds up to lower cost per part and less downtime. Precision and clean cuts. Fiber lasers offer high-precision cutting with a narrow kerf and minimal heat-affected zone. Perfect for intricate designs and tight tolerances, plus fewer secondary processes like deburring or cleaning. Compact and low maintenance. Fiber laser machines are typically more compact than water jet systems. No massive water tanks, no abrasive handling, no mess. And because there are fewer mechanical parts involved, maintenance is a breeze. Environmentally friendly. Let's be real. Water jets use tons of water and generate sludge mixed with abrasive grit. Fiber lasers, no water, no sludge, and no special disposal needed. It's a cleaner, greener option for your shop. If you're working mostly with metal and you want speed, precision, and lower operating costs, a fiber laser might just be your best bet. Looking to upgrade? We can help you find the right fit. Call us today and schedule a virtual demo. Or come take a look for yourself and visit the largest laser showroom in the USA.